So you're tired of manually cleaning your pool every weekend? Yeah, I feel you. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 robotic pool cleaners you can actually buy on Amazon right now in 2026. I've done all the research, compared the specs, read through hundreds of reviews, and honestly, some of these surprised me. I'll tell you which ones are worth your money and which ones you should probably skip. All the links are in the description below if you want to check current prices while watching. Let's get into it. Starting strong with the Dolphin Premier, and okay, this thing is basically the gold standard. It's sitting around the higher price range, but here's why people keep calling it the best robotic pool cleaner of 2026. First off, it's got these commercial grade Proline motors that filter over 4,500 gallons per hour. That's insane. Like, this is the same motor platform they use in public pools at hotels and campgrounds. But what really sets it apart is the multimedia filtration system. It's literally the only Dolphin with 4 different filter options. You've got standard filters, these ultrafine nano filters for capturing tiny debris, an oversized leaf bag for when fall hits, and even optional disposable bags. You just swap them in seconds depending on what your pool needs. That's actually genius. It cleans everything: floors, walls, and here's the big one, the water line. Most cheaper robots can't reach that scum line where all the bacteria and algae love to hang out, but the Premier climbs right up there and scrubs it clean. The whole cleaning cycle takes about 3 hours, and you can set a weekly scheduler to run it automatically. So yeah, truly set it and forget it. Oh, and it's got this media alert filter indicator that tells you when to clean the filters. No guessing involved. Plus, the anti-tangle swivel cable actually works. I've seen reviews where people with weird shaped pools had zero tangling issues. On the pro side, you're getting commercial grade power, that multimedia filtration is super versatile, waterline cleaning capability, 3-year warranty with no restocking fees, and that weekly scheduler is clutch. For cons though, it's expensive, not gonna lie. And if you've got a smaller pool, this might be overkill for your needs. Alright, moving to the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus with Wi-Fi. This is Dolphin's best-selling mid-tier option, and honestly, for most people, this is probably the sweet spot. It's got that always connected Wi-Fi feature so you can schedule cleanings from your phone wherever you are. Pretty convenient. Now, it does wall climbing, but here's something important. It climbs walls at 90 degrees but doesn't quite reach the water line like the Premier does. So you're getting floor and partial wall cleaning, but not that top scum line. Just something to know going in. The cleaning cycle is faster though, only 2 hours compared to the Premier's 3. It's got dual scrubbing brushes that work really well, and the top load filter system is super easy to access. You just pop it open, rinse it out, done. Weighs only 20 pounds, so it's way easier to lift out of the pool. Setup is literally plug and play, no assembly, no complicated instructions. You plug it in, drop it in the pool, hit the button, and you're good to go. The pros here are great price to performance ratio, Wi-Fi app control is smooth, 2-hour quick cycles, and it's lightweight and easy to handle. The cons? Doesn't clean the water line, and it's got a 2.5-year warranty instead of 3 years. Also, some people mentioned a 20% restocking fee if you return it, which is kind of unusual for Dolphin products. Now let's talk cordless. The Aiper Scuba S1 is the 2026 upgraded version, and this is where things get interesting. No cables, no tangling, just pure freedom. The battery life is actually impressive. You get up to 270 minutes in eco mode. That's like 4.5 hours. Even in the regular auto or floor modes, you're getting 3 hours, which is solid. It's got this WavePath Navigation 2.0 system with 11 sensors that map out your pool and clean in this intelligent pattern. The idea is to minimize overlap and missed spots, and from what I've seen in reviews, it actually works pretty well. It cleans floors, walls, waterline, and even above the waterline down to about 12 inches of depth. The dual filtration system is nice. You've got a 3-micron ultrafine filter for the tiny stuff and a 180-micron standard filter for bigger debris. And those caterpillar treads, they handle drains, steps, corners, all the tricky spots that some robots struggle with. Big selling point here is the app control with over-the-air updates. So Aiper can literally push new features and improvements to your robot after you buy it. That's pretty forward thinking. You can also set up weekly custom cleaning plans and just let it do its thing. For pros, cordless is such a game changer, insane battery life, smart navigation actually works, app features are robust, and those OTA updates mean it keeps getting better. Cons though, it's a battery powered unit, so you're recharging after every cycle. And while it's good for pools up to 1,600 square feet, if you've got a massive pool, you might need something more powerful. Let's see how the Polaris Freedom stacks up. Polaris has been in the pool game for over 50 years, so they know what they're doing. This is another cordless option, and it's positioned as a premium choice. You get 4 cleaning modes here: floor only, floor and walls and waterline, waterline only, and this smart cycle mode that basically learns your pool size and optimizes the cleaning time. That last one is actually pretty clever because it's not just running a preset timer. The AquaLink app integration is smooth. You can schedule cleanings, pick your mode, and you get push notifications when the cycle's done. And here's a cool feature. It auto parks at the waterline for easy retrieval. The water evacuates super fast when you pull it out, so you're not lifting a heavy, waterlogged robot. Battery runtime is about 2.5 hours. Charges in under 5 hours. It's got this cyclonic vacuum technology that maintains suction throughout the whole cleaning cycle, and the double helix brush design channels debris really efficiently toward the vacuum inlet. The track wheel design gives it better traction than some competitors, which means better wall climbing and stronger suction on the pool floor. The pros are trusted brand with decades of experience. 4 cleaning modes give you flexibility. Smart waterline retrieval is super convenient, and that easy charge station is well designed. For cons, it's priced higher than some cordless competitors, and at 2.5 hours of runtime, you might need to run it more frequently on larger pools. And finally, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro. This thing is wild. It's the most technologically advanced option on this list, and honestly, it's almost over-engineered, but in a good way if you're into tech. So it's got this 5-in-1 cleaning system. It cleans floors, walls, waterline, the water surface, like actually skimming debris off the top. And get this, it also does automatic water clarification. It dispenses this eco-friendly clarifier made from recycled crab shells that binds to fine particles and clears up cloudy water 4 times faster than traditional methods. That's actually insane. The dual propeller system makes it the world's first pool robot that can clean the water surface. Most robots can't do that at all. And the brain on this thing, it's got a 4-core CPU running at 1.8 gigahertz with 22 precision sensors, including ultrasonic ones. It maps your pool, optimizes cleaning paths, avoids obstacles, the whole 9 yards. When it's done or the battery's low, it automatically surfaces and parks on the water with this smart drain feature that releases the water automatically. No heavy lifting. You can even control it on the surface with the app. Just steer it around like a remote control boat to grab floating leaves. The dual layer filtration captures particles down to 150 micrometers. For reference, that's super fine, like sand and silt level. The pros here are the 5-in-1 cleaning is unmatched, water clarification feature is genuinely innovative, AI navigation is top tier, surface skimming actually works, and it's just really impressive tech overall. The cons though, it's expensive, like really expensive, and some reviews mention it can be slow, plus cordless means daily charging if you're using it regularly. Also, at this price point, you're paying a premium for features you might not even need. Alright, so let's break this down. If you want the absolute best cleaning performance and don't mind spending more, the Dolphin Premier is your answer. It's got commercial grade power, that multimedia filtration, waterline cleaning, and a 3-year warranty. It's the complete package. If you want great value and don't need waterline cleaning, the Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is honestly perfect for most people. It's cheaper, faster cycles, super easy to use, and that Wi-Fi control is really convenient. For cordless freedom with serious battery life, the Aiper Scuba S1 is hard to beat. It's got smart features, good cleaning coverage, and those OTA updates mean it's actually improving over time. The Polaris Freedom is for people who want a premium cordless experience from a trusted brand. It's solid, reliable, and those 4 cleaning modes give you good flexibility. And the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro, that's for tech enthusiasts who want every feature imaginable and don't mind paying for it. The water clarification and surface skimming are legitimately unique. So yeah, hopefully this helped you figure out which one fits your pool and your budget. My personal pick? For most people, I'd go Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi for value or the Dolphin Premier if you want the best of the best. But honestly, all 5 of these are solid choices depending on what you need. Check the links in the description for current prices. They change pretty often. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.